So once you have successfully signed up, you should land directly on this dashboard. So you can actually upload assets from this place, but we're going to do that actually from our client-side application. So from this page, so once you are connected, you can go from here and select API keys. And the step is very easy. You can click on New Key, and you can specify here so which endpoint you'd like to access with this API. So for example, for pinning, you want to be able to pin file to the IPFS, but also to pin JSON metadata to IPFS. So the metadata are the attributes connected related to one token that you upload to IPFS. For the data, you can select pin list, and for the rest, you can just leave uncheck. That's not really relevant at this point. Then you can specify a key name and create key. Once you've done that, it's going to give you all your credentials that you should always copy and paste somewhere safe in order to make transactions securely, because this is very sensitive data. For the Pinata API, there is a limited usage, so you never want anyone to access your credentials to use your usage. So you should always keep that safe. So we're going to copy them and go back to our file. For now, I'm going to put it here, and actually I'm going to show you right away. There's a file which is .env that you should have in your client-side application, and this is where you're going to replace with your credentials. So that should be yours, not someone else's credentials. So you're going to replace one by one with an API key and the API secrets, and also the GWT secret access token. So once you've done that, we'll be able to access the local environment variables from our React app. And that's why it is with React, you should always have this prefix. So every environment variable that you write within a React app should start with this React app prefix. So remember to copy that. So this is once you create your new key, you get this page. Remember to copy it and to keep it somewhere safe. That's done for this part. So once we've done that, so let's go back to the different steps. So we have created an API, we have authenticated. So now we are ready to connect to the Pinata API. So let's do that. Let's just make sure that you've got the Axios set up, because we're going to use that. Remember, it will be HTTP requests. So once you've done that, we're going to be able to read through the authentication process and jump straight. So basically what we'll do is to copy all of that. Axios that we add. Actually, we can use import. Okay, and then we can make, this will be, for example, connect, but we're not going to be doing that. We'll have one await, so that's will be async await. So we know we can connect. So if we replace now React app Axios here. Next, we're looking at how we can connect to this API. We're going to make a test.